so good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a raspberry pineapple smoothie. Yes, raspberry pineapple smoothie. But before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos, guys. Please liking and sharing is very important, just as subscribing. So please remember, when you're watching my video, please to like it and leave me a comment. Alright, tell me what you think about my videos. There are several other videos on my channel, guys, several other smoothies. Go ahead and watch them and like them for me. Thank you so much. And remember to follow me on all social at Ann Booth. Yeah, all social. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, follow me on all social. Alright, at Ann Booth. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I appreciate you, my subscribers, and I look forward for more support from you. Okay, so let's dive right into this raspberry pineapple video. Okay, so I have here some pineapple slices cut up, red raspberry frozen. I have some pumpkin seed, and I have some flax seed. I have my banana, one banana that I will be using. I have a yogurt. This one is vanilla mixed berry, yes. And I have some milk that I would be using. Okay, so I'm using milk today and not coconut water. Okay guys, so you can interchange them. You can use milk, you can use coconut water, you can use cranberry juice, depends on your taste. You can also use orange juice. Okay, so depending on your taste, whatever you want to use, you can go ahead and use it. Okay guys, all right, so let's start with this video. So I'm gonna include my pineapple slices. And so guys, if you're like me and don't like to peel pineapple, you can go for the ones that are already prepared. Okay, all right, so yeah, I'm gonna use some of these pineapple slices. I'm gonna use some of this raspberry, and I'm using this one. You can use any one because I see others. You can choose which one you use. All right. Smoothie is supposed to be red. I'm gonna use my banana. Yeah, banana, guys. My banana. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add my seeds. So. And you know, pumpkin seed is very good for you guys. So yeah, my pumpkin seed I'm using 1.5. Okay, and you can get these on Amazon buy. Yeah, if you don't want to go into the stores, you can just order them on Amazon. Yeah, and some flaxseed. Yeah, and say no salt added. So yeah, and I'm gonna add my yogurt. Exciting part of this yogurt is the blueberries at the bottom. Okay. Put this aside. Then I'm gonna cover. And there you have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this for you. Look at it, so pinkish because of the raspberry. So pinkish, guys. Wow. So delicious. So delicious, guys. Yes, go ahead and try it, you will love it. So delicious. It's my raspberry pineapple smoothie. So I have frozen red raspberries, some pineapple slices, a banana, some milk, yogurt, pumpkin seed, and flax seed. And this is it. So yummy, really yummy, guys. So go ahead and try this video, you will love it. Okay, go ahead and try it, guys, you will love it. Okay, some garnishing, some pumpkin seed. It is good for you, and some flax seed. Alright, so yummy, guys. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice video. Okay, nice smoothie. So go ahead and try it, guys, you will like it, you will love it. It tastes so real, so natural, so good.